It is possible to prepare reports of components being used in the drawing. In other words, the report consists of definite information in your drawings. By using report in AutoCAD Electrical, you can extract information and save more time because this method can avoid of copying information from drawings. To use this tool, I'm going to choose Reports tab, and then we have Reports tool in the schematic panel. I select this tool and then a new dialog box will be displayed. In the report name area, we have list of several kind of reports. The first one is bill of material, which is selected by default and reports the components which have catalog information and extracts components data directly from drawing files. In the bill of material area, we have two options. The first one is project, that is used to process the whole of the drawing. And if you want to extract information only from the active drawing, you need to choose Active Drawing button. In your report, you can include connector jumper or cable information. By using these checkboxes and by selecting all the above checkboxes, all of them will be selected. In the display option area, we have a selection which allows us to report identical components as single line items. The second option, that is normal tallied format, which reports identical components with the same installation location codes in single line items. The next one makes each part becomes its own line item. On the other hand, each part will be displayed as a separate entry. The last radio button causes processing all samples of the terminal or component tag, and finally they are reported as single entry in your report. In the installation codes area, we can extract information of components based on the installation codes which are specified to them. And if you select all radio button, it will process all the components that have installation codes. If you decide to extract information for the specified installation code, you need to select Name Installation button, and after that, enter your required installation code. The other area, which is location codes, makes it possible to extract information based on the location codes related to the components. To change the format of the extracted data, you can use Formats button. After selecting this radio button, a new dialog box will be displayed that consists of format files. If there is no list to select, by using Browse button, you can add format file and finally select your required formats. In the last step, and after defining your required options, you can choose the OK button. Then a new dialog box will be shown. In this dialog box, you can choose the drawings that you want to be processed, and after doing that, select the Process button. As you see, the drawings will be transferred to the bottom list. Now you can choose OK button, and finally the Report Generator dialog box will be displayed. In the header area, you can add your desired data such as time, date, or add title. By choosing Edit Mode button, you can edit the table data. After double-clicking on your desired row, another dialog box will be shown. It is possible to specify your needed values in these edit boxes such as tags, catalogs, and also description. After doing that, you can click on the OK to return the report generator dialog box. The Change Reports Format button can be used to change data fields such as the field name or changing the field's order in the report. To do that, you can select each available field and then it will move to Fields to Report area. Also, it allows you to remove every field that you want by selecting it and using Remove button. Now I want to choose the OK button and back to previous dialog box. You can insert your reports in the drawing. To do that, just click on the Put on Drawing button and in the next step, the Table Generation Setup dialog box will be shown. In this part, you are able to modify the details of the table. I'm going to choose the OK button and a table boundary will be displayed for me. Therefore, as it is written in the command line, I need to specify the insertion point. Now I'm going to do that. And the report generator dialog box will be shown. If you want to save your report in a separate file, you need to click on the Save to File button. After doing that, a new dialog box will be opened which allows you to select your desired format for the file such as Excel format or Access and other available options here. In such this case, I select Excel option to show you the example and choose OK button. In the next step, you need to specify your desired location to save the file and after that, select the Save button. In the new Open dialog box to generate the script file, you need to click on the Running script and if you decide to exit from this part, you need to click on the Close No Script button. After selecting Running script, you can print your script file or select the other user script file. In the last step, I'm going to close this dialog box because I don't want to do this option, and then to see the final result, I'm going to close the Report Generator dialog box. Finally, here it is inserted a table that consists of your drawing's information. Also, it is possible to copy this table and insert it in another drawing that you want. To do that, you need to select your table and then just right-click on it and select Clipboard option. In the next step, you have to select Copy and then in the projects list, choose your desired drawing that you want to put the copy table in it. And then just right-click wherever you want to place your report. Select Clipboard option and then choose Paste. You can see the copied report from previous drawing that is attached to the cursor, and then in the final step you have to place it wherever you want by just clicking on your desired point. As you know, there are other types of reports. To explain more about other types, I'm going to choose Report Tool. Except Material View Report, there are other types such as Component type. You can produce a report which consists of all the components information that are present on your drawing, such as component tags, catalog information, description, and so on. The other type is Component Wire List Report that includes wire connection data, such as wire number, terminal pin number, component location code, and so on. The PLC address and description report shows the PLC module and its input-output address numbers. On the other hand, it will extract input-output connection points. Also, it contains the description text and the connected wire number for each input-output point. The other option for producing information is PLC components connection. It will give information about any components that is connected to the PLC input-output points. There is terminal report that includes information such as terminal strip number, terminal number, and so on. Also, we have connector reports that allows us to have information about each connector tag and also a list of pin numbers which are used more than one time. The cable report gives us information related to the cable market tags. And also we have wire label report that displays the wire labels and markers.